Hey guys, this is Cody with Homestead. We're out here in the goose pen today, and I'm bringing you a little tip that will work for any of your animal waters or rain barrels. So it works either way. So right here we have one of my geese waters, right? And you can see it's really green and gross. And on top of my geese just being straight heathens, the problem is this is algae growing in the water. Now the reason why that happens is sunlight. Plain and simple. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to stop this from happening so that you can keep your animals' water nice and clean and you don't have to worry about this unsightly green mess. Anyways, stay tuned. Okay folks, so the tip to this is very simple. So the sunlight goes through this clear water bottle and gets into the water, and that's what causes it to grow. So the best tip I can give you, and I've done this before and it works super well, is to get you some spray paint and paint this thing a dark enough color, preferably black, because that way the sun can't go through. So right here we've got some matte black that works for wood, metal, plastic, and more. So whatever your water container is, obviously most of them are plastic, food grade plastics, you need that. So let me go ahead and get this spray painted, and we'll cut right back when I'm done and you can see where we're at. Okay, so pretty easy. You can see here we got everything spray painted black. We do need to let it dry and you know, go ahead and get hard. And what we'll do is we'll go in and we'll put another coat on it. And obviously if you've been watching the fast forwarded video, you notice I didn't do the bottom. So when this dries and I'm satisfied with this, we'll flip it over and we'll get the bottom part of it. All right guys, we're back. We got the second coat on now. And as you can see, we got the bottom done. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna wait about a day, let that paint dry, and then we're gonna put some water in there and get it going. And I'll cut back in a few days and I'll show you the, oh my goodness, chicken's going crazy. They're over there going wild. Well, I'll come back in a few days after the water's been clear and we'll show you what it does. We're back. All right guys, we're back, and as you can see, the water's still clear and it's been a little while now. And basically what's happened is this black paint is keeping the algae from forming, just keeping that sunlight from getting in there and feeding the algae, so it keeps it clear. Now one thing you do gotta look out for. So while the black paint does block algae and keeps the water nice and clean, it does heat up the water because, you know, black does pull in heat and it will heat up the water. So be sure, just like we've kind of, as you can see here, we've got our water underneath a little kind of the canopy of this pen. Just be sure you're keeping that water in a place where it's shaded because it will get hot, and you don't want your animals drinking super hot water. But anyways, man, that's pretty much all there is to it. The black keeps it nice and clean, and you know, if you got a water tank or animal water, it'll do the same. But look guys, this tip has helped you out and it's making your life a little bit easier. Feel free to drop that like and subscribe down below. I'd really appreciate it. Anyways guys, this has been Cody with Homestead. Hope you found the video helpful. Out here.